Hello, everyone. I'm Emma. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. This is your space to listen, to repeat, to shadow, and to learn English at a slow, natural pace. Today, I want to ask you something. Think about this moment. Your child comes home from school with a paper. You open it. It's from the teacher, and you cannot read it. You don't understand. Or this, your phone rings. It's the school, something about your child, but you can't understand what they're saying. You're frozen. You miss important information. Or imagine it's almost time for school to start. You know you need to enroll your child, but you've never done it before. You don't know what to do, what questions to ask, what words to use. This is the fear, right? This is the real pain. You want to be involved in your child's education. You want to know how they're doing. You want to understand the teachers. You want to make the right decisions for your child's future. But the language is getting in the way, and I know something. You're not alone. Every immigrant parent feels this. You're not stupid. You're not weak. You just need the words. And today, I'm giving you everything you need. 30 real sentences, one real story, real situations. By the end of this video, you will walk into that school office with confidence. You will call that teacher without fear. You will understand what's happening with your child's education. This is not complicated grammar. This is not fancy words. This is real English, practical English. The English that matters. Are you ready? Let's go. Category 1, Enrollment and Registration. I'd like to ask about my child's enrollment. I'd like to ask about my child's enrollment. I'd like to ask about my child's enrollment. What documents do I need to bring? What documents do I need to bring? What documents do I need to bring? Do you need a birth certificate? Do you need a birth certificate? Do you need a birth certificate? Do you need a proof of residence? Do you need a proof of residence? Do you need a proof of residence? Do you need immunization records? Do you need immunization records? Do you need immunization records? When does the enrollment process start? When does the enrollment process start? When does the enrollment process start? Can I complete the form online, or do I need to come in person? Can I complete the form online, or do I need to come in person? Do. Can I complete the form online, or do I need to come in person? When does school start? When does school start? When does school start? Category 2, Enrollment questions and requirements. What is the registration fee? What is the registration fee? What is the registration fee? What's on the supply list? What's on the supply list? What's on the supply list? Does my child need to wear a uniform? Does my child need to wear a uniform? Does my child need to wear a uniform? What time does school start and end? What time does school start and end? What time does school start and end? Is there a school bus? Is there a school bus? Is there a school bus? Can my child bring lunch from home? Can my child bring lunch from home? Can my child bring lunch from home? Do you have any other requirements for new students? Do you have any other requirements for new students? Do you have any other requirements for new students? Category 3, absence and sick calls. My child will be absent today because he is sick. My child will be absent today because he is sick. My child will be absent today because he is sick. How long can he miss school without a doctor's note? How long can he miss school without a doctor's note? How long can he miss school without a doctor's note? If he's absent for 3 days, do I need to bring a doctor's note? If he's absent for 3 days, do I need to bring a doctor's note? If he's absent for 3 days, do I need to bring a doctor's note? Do I need to call the school, or can I send an email? Do I need to call the school, or can I send an email? Do I need to call the school, or can I send an email? When should he return to school? When should he return to school? When should he return to school? I need to pick up my child early today. Is that possible? I need to pick up my child early today. Is that possible? I need to pick up my child early today. Is that possible? What time can I pick him up? What time can I pick him up? What time can I pick him up? Can you mark him absent in the system? Can you mark him absent in the system? Can you mark him absent in the system? Category 4, asking for help and understanding. Can you speak more slowly, please? Can you speak more slowly, please? Can you speak more slowly, please? I don't understand. Can you explain again? I don't understand. Can you explain again? I don't understand. Can you explain again? Can you write that down or send me an email? Can you write that down or send me an email? Can you write that down or send me an email? Can you use simpler words? Can you use simpler words? Can you use simpler words? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat? Thank you for your help. I appreciate it very much. Thank you for your help. I appreciate it very much. Thank you for your help. I appreciate it very much. Can I have your email or phone number? Can I have your email or phone number? Can I have your email or phone number? Excellent! You just practiced 30 real sentences. You did amazing. These are your tools for communicating with schools. Now, let me show you how this works in real life. First, meet Sofia. She just arrived in this country with her daughter, Emma. Emma is 5 years old and needs to start school next month. Sofia is nervous. She doesn't know what to do. She walks into the school office to enroll her daughter. Dialogue 1, Enrollment Conversation.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to ask about my child's enrollment.
Of course. What's your child's name and age?
Her name is Emma. She's 5 years old. She will be 6 in July.
Perfect. She can start kindergarten. Do you have her birth certificate?
Yes, I have it here. What documents do I need to bring?
You'll need a birth certificate, proof of residence, and immunization records.
What is proof of residence?
It's a document that shows where you live, like a utility bill, lease agreement, or bank statement with your address.
I have those. And what about immunization records? What does that mean?
Immunization records show the vaccines your child received, shots for diseases like measles and polio. Do you have that?
Yes, I have a paper from the doctor.
Great. That's what we need. Now, do you have all 3 documents with you today?
I have the birth certificate and the doctor's paper, but I don't have proof of residence today. Can I bring it another day?
Yes, that's fine. You can bring it next time, but we can start the enrollment form now, if you'd like.
Yes, that's good. Can I complete the form online, or do I need to come in person?
You can do both. You can start online, or you can fill it out right here at the desk. I can help you.
That's very helpful. When does the enrollment process start?
It starts now. Students can begin in September. When would you like Emma to start?
September, please. When does school start?
School starts on September 5th. Classes begin at 8:30 a.m. and end at 3 p.m.
What time does school start and end? I want to remember exactly.
8:30 in the morning, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll write it down for you.
Thank you. What else do I need to know? What is the registration fee?
The registration fee is $50, and there's a supply list. Do you want one?
What's on the supply list?
Pencils, crayons, markers, a backpack, lunchbox, Basic school supplies. I can give you the list.
Thank you. Does my child need to wear a uniform?
No uniform required, but we have a dress code. Children should wear appropriate clothing, nothing too revealing or with inappropriate messages.
Can my child bring lunch from home?
Yes, absolutely. Many children bring lunch from home, or she can buy lunch at school.
Is there a school bus?
Yes, there is. The bus comes at 8 a.m. and returns at 3:15 p.m. It's optional. You can drive her, or she can take the bus.
That's good. I have one more question. Do you have any other requirements for new students?
Just make sure you bring all your documents and fill out the enrollment form completely. That's it.
Okay. Can you write that down or send me an email? I want to make sure I don't forget anything.
Of course. I'll email you the enrollment form, the supply list, the fee information, and the school calendar. You'll have everything you need.
Thank you for your help. I appreciate it very much.
You're welcome, Sophia. Emma is gonna love it here. See you soon.
Great. Sophia successfully enrolled her daughter. Now, 3 months later, Emma is sick. Sophia needs to call the school and report the absence. Let's listen to that conversation. Dialogue 2. Absence call.
Good morning. School office. How can I help you?
Good morning. My child will be absent today because she is sick.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's your child's name?
Her name is Emma. She's in kindergarten, Mrs. Miller's class.
Okay. Emma in kindergarten? Thank you for calling. When do you think she'll be back?
I think tomorrow, but I'm not sure. If she's still sick, can I call again?
Yes, absolutely. You can call every morning if she's still sick.
I need to pick up my child early today. Is that possible?
Today? Is she coming to school today?
No, I'm sorry. I mean tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow afternoon, if she feels better. Is that possible?
Yes, that's fine. Just call in the morning and let us know what time you want to pick her up.
Okay, thank you for your help. I appreciate it very much.
You're welcome, Sophia. I hope Emma feels better soon. Call us if you need anything.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
That's Sophia's story, but it's also your story. Do you see what Sophia did? She was nervous. She didn't speak perfect English, but she had the words. She asked questions, she listened, she took notes, she communicated. And because of that, her daughter is in school. She successfully enrolled. She knows how to report absences. She knows what to do. Before you go, write a comment. Tell me which conversation scares you more, enrollment or absence calls. And if this video helped you, please like it. Share it with other parents who are struggling, because when we help each other, we all get stronger. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for fighting for your child's education. You're doing amazing. I'm Emma from Speak English Daily. Your child's future is worth it. Keep practicing. Don't be afraid. Take care, everyone. Bye.